Hey guys, we've just wrapped up the Rao Consultants 2018 Student Recruitment Fair. My name is Ashley Grierson. I'm from Global University Systems and I'm the Global Student Recruitment Director for South Asia. I had 5 universities attending here today. Universities from the USA, from Canada, from Germany, and what an amazing response we've had. The students that have come today have been outstanding. One of the things that I like most about these kinds of events, and especially when we're with partners like Rao Overseas, is that the students who come are so motivated, they're so ready to go abroad, great candidates for things like scholarships, and more than anything, the students are informed. So all of the students that all of my representatives spoke to today, they knew about the school, they knew about their programs, and they will make great candidates to come to any one of my 5 universities. So I'm very, very excited. It's been an amazing turnout. I'm thinking almost 1,000 students today. It's somewhere close to that, so it's been amazing. Thank you so much everyone who was able to come, and thank you so much for Rao Overseas. We are looking forward to next year.